and delete.
Next up.
Karan.
Center, please.
Karan, forward, Karan. And right. Enough. Stay there. Stay. From there walking.
Which?
Yes. देना नल्ला पर पतले स्टॉप अभी 3-4 no back up circle closer batting position. Yes, come in. Bro, nalu ulla irukeenga bella poi. Yes, I run, bro.
Come. Easy.
Come on guys, everyone join football guys. Shoot, Nagesh! Bowling hand! Four.
No, sir. One. Shot, boy.
Single, stop it. Bowling.
Oh, shot, यार. दो देख क्या कॉल?
इधर बोला कलर इधर.
Shot, man.
Catch it.
Boundary, boy. Lovely shot. That's exactly what I wanted. Sabas. Two. Come. Two again. Come. Yes. Easy. Come. Run.
Go start.
Yes, one.
Run.
Oh, भैंस की पूंछ नहीं लगा यार.
Good ball.
Shit. It was there.
Good ball, that ball, the same ball. Same ball, huh? Don't change now. Again, let him try. You moved it very well.
Keep going.
Keep it closer, not move the line more.
Nikki. Shot yaar, boundary boy, lovely. That's what I was looking for. Excellent. Excellent. He will ball straight and keep it full. Look at the field he has. Anything short he cannot afford to ball. He'll either ball full to you. That's why I'm playing that shot. Because he has to ball full. Only line we have to read. If he balls short, if he go across, it's a problem because he's not getting height. No bounce. That's why. Play straight to those balls.
Catch it!
Chakka hai yaar.
Pull a length. Pull a down one. Pull a length.
Two. Run.
No backup. Ball. That's the length. You're going through.